Hello, parents and students around the world. This is Mindy, and we're at Cindy's Corner. Cindy's Corner, we talk about math. Today, we're going to talk about math, in particular, multiplication. Click the like button and subscribe. If you find the video helpful, it would help me and the algorithm. And let's get started. When we multiply, I always start with the basis. 9 plus 2 is 11. We know that. But that's adding. 9 plus 2 is 11, but we're adding. When we multiply, we have two sets of 9. 9 pencils in the pencil box. 9 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 times 2 is 18. We're going to add another box of pencils. 9 pencils times 9 pencils in 3 boxes will give us 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 pencils. Because when we do multiplication, we're thinking in sets of 9, or whatever that particular number is. We can take 3 pencils in each box, and if we draw 9 boxes, we will still get 27. We know that. So that's just the idea in preparing you for multiplication. The idea is that we are multiplying sets, not individual numbers. When we do individual numbers, 9 pencils plus 3 pencils, or 9 pencils plus 2 pencils, we're counting, and that's adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're just adding. 9 pencils plus 2 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 more is 11. So just to show the mindset and the difference between adding and multiplying. That's what we're doing today. Mostly we're going to focus on multiplication. So what is 9 times 4? 9 times 3, we said, was 27. Nine times 3 is 27. If we add 9 more, if we have 3 boxes of 9, and we add another box which has 9 pencils in it, it would be 36. So 9 times 4 is 36. Now, let's go a little further. Let's go a step further. These are single numbers, or numbers in the ones column. Let's try the tens column and the one column. 83, we're going to step further, times 7. We're going to find out what that is. 83 times 9. We're going to find out what that is. And 83 times 22. Tens column, ones column. Tens column, one column. Let's start with 83 times 7. We know that 3 times 7 is 21. We went over that before. 3 times 7 is 21. So we're going to put the 1 here, and we're going to carry the 2. because we're dealing with tens and ones now. 7 times 8 is 56, and 2 is 58. So 83 times 7 is 581. Let's see what 83 times 9 is. 9 times 3, and we went over that, is 27. 7, carry the 2. 8 times 9 is 72. 74. 72 plus the 2 is 74, 747. Now we're going to do the tens column and the ones column, the 10 column and the 1 column. Now it takes an extra step. So just to review it, we'll go over the extra step. Two times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Now, what is the extra step? The extra step is multiplying the tens table, the tens column. So 2 times 3 is 6. I'll put it right here. And 2 times 8 is 16. So 83 oranges in 22 boxes will give us a total of how many oranges? I'm going to add this up and find out. 1,826 oranges. Why did we go this extra step? Because here we're multiplying by 7, the ones column. We're multiplying by 7, 83 times 7. Here we're multiplying 83 times 22, which is 2 tens and 2 ones. So therefore we're going to multiply here, and we'll have to carry it an extra step. The tens column and the ones column. If we were just doing, this is 83 times 22. If we just had 2 in the 1 column, 83 times 2, we would go 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 8 is 16. It would be 166 oranges in 2 boxes. But since we have 22 and not just 2, we go with the extra step. That's in multiplication. What if we're adding? What if we're adding with more than just the ones column? Let's try that. We're adding with more than just the ones column. 143 plus 51 plus 21. Here we have a ones column, a tens column, and a 100. 143 plus 51 plus 21. What is the difference here? We're not just dealing with the ones column. We're dealing with the 100 column, the 51, and a 21. So once again, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 10, 11. 11. Carry the 1 here. This one would have a adding sign because we're adding. 143 oranges plus 51 oranges plus 21 oranges will give us 215 oranges. Let's try more columns where we're adding. We're going to add 823 plus 80 3, 0, carry on 1, 903. Do you see the difference when we're dealing with the hundreds column, the tens column, and the ones column? It's not as simple as when we're just dealing with the ones column. So we're going to go a little further. 823 plus 514 plus 23. And since we're adding, we're going to put the plus sign here. Now we're going to add these three numbers, 823, 514, plus 23. We'll start at the top. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 more is 10. So we'll take the 0 here and we'll put the 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 823 plus 514 plus 23 gives you a total of 1,360. Now the amounts right now I'm just going over. I just want to show you the method and the technique of adding hundreds of numbers, meaning 823, 514, and 23. Adding hundreds of numbers as opposed to adding a 9 plus a 2, which will give us 11. It's the same method. The technique is a little different because we're dealing with more numbers. 1,257 plus 557 plus 214. Again, we put the adding column. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 4 is 18. You carry a 1. 10, 11, 12. You carry a 1. 8, 9, 10. Carry a 1. 1,257 plus 557 plus 214 will give us a total of 2,028. That's a beginning review of adding numbers that are in a higher volume, hundreds and thousands. We'll go into depth in this in the next video. I just want to do it as an introduction of adding, and also enjoy the multiplication we did previously. Thank you so much, parents and children and students around the world. Parents and students around the world, thank you so much for joining Mindy again in Cindy's Corner. We'll see you in the next video. Click the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe. If you hit the notification button, you'll be notified for the next video. But thank you for joining Mindy in Cindy's Corner for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.